this book. Pepper and George love visiting the museum. The museum is very big and they lost somewhere inside. Can you find Pepper and their family and put them in the dinosaur room? That's much better. Now everybody can see the great big dinosaurs. Dinosaur draws George. The dinosaur room is his favorite places. It's time for lunch in the park. There are lots of food to eat, but where are Pepper, George, Mommy, and Daddy Pig? And you find everyone and sit them at the picnic table? Splendid. Now all the food can be eaten. Pinkies are my favorite. Smiles, Daddy Pig, spilling his sandwich everywhere. Messy Daddy loves Pepper. What a lovely afternoon to go to the beach. But something is missing. Oh dear, Pepper and George and Mommy have left Daddy Pig in the park. Can you find him and put him on the beach? Who else would like to come? It's time for a party. Mommy and Daddy lost parties. Pepper and George lost parties too, but they're still getting ready. Can you find Pepper, George, Teddy, and Mr. Dinosaur and take them to the party? It's night time and Pepper, George, tucked up. He's in bed with Teddy and Mr. Dinosaur. Can you put Mommy and Daddy on the picture and ask them to read a bedtime story? Perfect. Now everyone can go to sleep. Bedtime stories are my favorite, whispers Pepper, closing her eyes. Grunt, grunt, snores George, nuzzling off to sleep. Good night, everyone. The end.
The end.